The presidents of Mongolia and of Russia, Mr. Ilbekdor and Mr. Putin, Tuesday held an official meeting during the fourth conference on interaction and confidence-building measures in Asia summit, which kicked off the same day in Shanghai, China. The two dignitaries focused on ways of intensifying the bilateral traditional economic cooperation and shared views on augmenting the Mongolia-Russia trade turnover and upgrading profits of joint ventures. And attention was given to a collaboration in the railway sphere, especially to running of the railways through Mongolian territory, a core line for the trade between Russia and China. The Mongolian president said the country wants to talk with Russia about the railway transport, co-celebrating the victory in the Khalkh River battle, easing the visa requirements. Located between Russia and China, Mongolia plays a vital role in the railway transport and wants to develop it in all possible mutually beneficial ways, Mr. Ilbekdor noted, emphasizing the importance of the Mongolia-Russia-China trilateral talks and of the Mongolia-Russia dialogue in this matter. Railways and transit transport are the strategic issues for the two countries, he added. Mentioning about this year's 75th anniversary of the victory in the Khalkh River battle, the leader of Mongolia invited Mr. Putin to Mongolia to this event's celebration and also proposed hosting a trilateral meeting on the railway transit matter in Ulaanbaatar. The Russian president accepted the proposal, said he is ready to collaborate in it, and then invited Mr. Ilbekdor to Russia. The issues of this meeting will be continued at a meeting with Mongolian Prime Minister in St. Petersburg, Russia.